Hi everybody, I'm Tom Lloyd from CCTV out here at the Animal Welfare League of Charlotte County for this month's Pet of the Month. Joining me right now is Jasmine, and Jasmine, we are in the cat village.
Yes.
Talk to me about why we're in here.
So today we're gonna do things just like a little bit differently. We're gonna kind of go over, trying to get some of our longer term residents that need a little bit more help out of here. And here in a few weeks, we will have some renovations going on in this particular building, which will entail with some of the cats that are still here that are not gonna be as highly adoptable, will have to be fostered out.
So these are foster cats?
Yeah, so eventually it will be here in a few weeks. So we're asking people to submit foster forms online, go to our website, so that way we can overview them and have, things in mind for when that time comes.
Talk to me about some of the demeanors of the cats that are in here.
So for some of these, we have, a lot of these are actually like more of our outgoing cats. Like we have Sterling over there where he's an outgoing cat. The only little bit shy and reserved cats is gonna be Eclipse behind me and then Moxy over to my right. Okay. Those cats will be cats that will be comfortable in another house with another cat, but will still need some work in terms of people.
Talk to me about the importance of being a foster.
It brings a lot of these cats out. So it helps with, because right now it's also kitten season, so it helps with moms and babies, bottle babies, kittens that are not 2 pounds that should not be here. And that also helps with a lot of these shy, timid, scared cats, helps them come out of their shell when they're placed into a house. And a lot of them actually, when we've done renovations or hurricanes in the past, have become foster fails, which has been amazing.
Now, most important, how can people be fosters?
So you just go on our website, you go to, like you want to foster, you fill out a foster application, and we have a foster coordinator, Alyssa, will reach out in terms of setting you up with the right person or setting you up with the right animal, and you can come in, view the animals, and you can kind of pick which one you would like to take home.
Cool. Well, hey, if you want to come in and view the animals, or you want to be a foster, you can go to the website awlshelter.org. For CCTV's Pet of the Month, I'm Tom Lloyd.